Hello everyone, Create the Art here. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll share the most economical and useful info with all of you, which I personally use whenever I paint with acrylic paint. As we all know that acrylic has the tendency to dry fast, which makes it difficult to blend. So in this video, I'll show you how I make my acrylic paint mixture makes it like all consistency and dries up fairly slowly. As you can see, the paints are nearly finished and not enough to paint on multiple canvases. A wooden stick and a wood glue. I use this blue bag of wood glue, the name of which I cannot mention as this is not a paid promotion. For reference, this is a cup in which I'll mix the glue mixture. I know it's not clean, but I'll clear it and show you. Tada, cleaned it in seconds. The area I'm pointing at is the proportion of water and glue. Funnel for pouring the mixture into the bottles. Empty bottle to store the paint medium. I added 8 tablespoons of wood glue to half a cup of water. Mix it until there are no lumps left. Pouring the medium into the bottle. This medium is enough to make 3 bottles of paint. I have marked how much paint and water I'll add to the mixture. The 2 divisions are paint and water, but the rest of the bottle I'll fill it with the medium. It's all up to you whether you want thick or thin consistency. If you are looking for thick paste paint, use only medium and add it to the paint. And if you want thin or runny paint, you can use the original instructions of the bottle that I have shown. I'm showing how I'm mixing the paint with water and medium. Thank you for watching. I hope this video proves to be useful to you. I will be sharing video by using these paints in the upcoming tutorial.